Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss a new topic from grammar series, that is parts of speech. So let's start. First of all, we'll discuss what is parts of speech, okay, and then types of parts of speech. So let's start with what is parts of speech, okay. A part of speech is a category that describes the role a word plays in a sentence, okay. So there are 8 parts of speech in the English language. These are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, interjection, conjunction, and prepositions. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. Type 1, noun. Okay. So all naming words are noun. Okay. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay. For example, Ram, Shimla, chair, sugar, etc. Okay. So type 2, pronoun. Okay. It is used in place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Okay. So type 3, verb. Okay. It is an action word. Okay. Example, go, do, play, think, etc. Okay. So type 4, adjective. Okay. It tells us about nouns. Okay. An adjective is a word which modifies a noun and pronoun. ओके जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है उस वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं. ओके इन शॉर्ट नाउन और प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटी को जो वर्ड बताता है दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल गुड, बैड, थिन, फैट, एक्सेट्रा. ओके सो टाइप 5, एडवर्ब. ओके इट मॉडिफाइज अ वर्ब और एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल बैडली, स्लोली, क्विकली, एक्सेट्रा. ओके सो टाइप 6, that is preposition. Okay, it shows relationship between two things. Okay, जो two things के बीच में relationship बताता है that is preposition. Okay, for example from, to, by, on, etc. Okay, so type 7 is conjunction. Okay, so joining words are called conjunction. Okay, for example or, and, what, because, etc. Okay, so type 8, that is interjection. Okay, it expresses emotions of mind. Okay, for example alas, ah, oh, etc. Okay, जो माइंड के इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उन वर्ड्स को हम इंटरजेक्शन बोलते हैं. ओके सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सी यू सून इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर.